So hello everyone, welcome back to Himani classes. So today you are going to study Self-Reliance chapter 5, 6th standard. It's from 6th standard. So what is the meaning of self-reliance? So trusting yourself is a meaning of self-reliance. So there are some questions. Try to answer it. Do yourself answer each of this question in two or more sentences. Is there a hero or anti-hero in you? B. Is he noble or ignoble? Is he helpful or dangerous? When the hero in you wants to come out, would you usually suppress him or allow him to come out? Find out an animal in this book that feels ashamed of itself. Find the poem Ninage Neene Geleya Ninage Neene by Gopala Krishna Adiga and read it. So I think let's start the chapter. It's so that morning I had lost all hopes of my future. I went out and sat under a tree in a field in a dejected mood. So here, this is the one person he's saying himself that he lost his all hopes of his future. Means he is very depressed. He's thinking that I cannot do anything. I went out and sat under a tree in a field in a dejected mood. Dejected mood, it's like sad mood. He went out, the depressed man went out and sat under the one tree, and in a dejected mood, in a sad mood. To divert myself, I begin to watch a kid riding a bicycle at a distance. He must be practicing, I thought. Then, when I looked away for a moment, I heard a scream. I did not know what had happened, but the kid had fallen into a ditch and he was screaming. The boy's bicycle was also in a bad shape. So, yeah, he was depressed, right? So, a little change, he wanted a little change. So, he was seeing the kid riding a bicycle, and also he thought the kid is studying, practicing the bicycle. Then only 1 second he moved his face. That time he heard a screaming voice and he didn't know what happened. But the kid, who is that child, is playing there in a bicycle. He fall down to the ditch. What is the meaning of ditch? Where the in roads side where the water moves, it's the meaning of ditch. Okay. So the child has fallen to the ditch and he was screaming. The boy's bicycle was also in a bad shape. The that kid was playing, right, and he fall from his bicycle, and the boy's cycle also was not in good situation. I went to help him. I went to help him. No thanks, the kid replied. I can help myself. I I went to help him. So yeah, everyone, yeah, as a good person we like to help him. So this person also helped him. That time the kid said that no thanks. The kid replied, I can help myself. Yeah, the kid replied that no thanks. No, I can help myself. That means he is not telling in a very like attitude. He is telling by the same like he will do that. He seemed to be a self-reliant child. He did not want others to show mercy on him. So yeah, self-reliant means trust on him. He trusted that I can do it. I can help myself. So the child don't want to do mercy. It's like to care more. He picked up the broken bicycle and limped back to his house. So he picked up Broken's bicycle and limped back to his house. Okay. So here, the child took his cycle and he went to his house back. If this child can do this, you can also be a self-reliant person. Cannot you? I actually heard someone whisper this in my mind. Grace seemed to have descended on me. I felt a strong urge to deal with my problems, my depression, and my negative thoughts. So, when the man saw that child, in his mind, someone speaks to him. So, the child is a self reliant. Why you cannot be a self real? You cannot, or what? Just that his mind asked him. And also, grace seemed to have descended on me. I felt strong urge to deal with my. So he felt strong to deal. Okay, to deal his problems himself. My depression and my negative thoughts. His he is always he's thinking a negative things. Always he's thinking a negative things. So he want to throw that side. He don't want to take that. I went home and picked up a book to read. It was the spoke Swami Vivekananda. So he went to who the depressed man went to his house and he took one book. It was written by Vivekananda. On the page I opened, this line appeared. Once when a discipline plead his helpless with Swami Vivekananda, Swamiji thundered, "What nonsense are you talking? Within you lies indomitable power, only thinking I am nothing, I am nothing, you have become powerless. It is just escapation to say I am so miserable. Every man has his burden to bear." So here when he opened the first page there was like a man like him only, the depressed man will say his all problems to Vivekananda. That time the Vivekananda Swamiji replies, "No, this is a wrong way. This is a wrong way. You had to stand in your feet. You're powerless. Now you don't say I'm nothing, I'm nothing. You can do all." He filled energy with him. He filled energy. Okay. Swami Vivekananda did not suffer fools. Swami Vivekananda did not suffer fools. If you are miserable, try to convert your misery and try to calm. Stand up, be bold, be strong. Do not be weakling. Take all your responsibilities on your shoulders and know that you are creator of your own destiny. So here, don't be a miserable. Don't be a sad or don't think that I'm nothing, I'm nothing. You have to stand in your feet and you have to create your own destiny. Means you have to create your own future. Take all responsibility to your shoulder, your all responsibility you should have. It is a big error to feel helpless. All the strength and success you want is within you. So yeah, you have to do it. Same line. Okay. You have to do it. All your success is with you. If we cannot help ourselves, there is none to help us to think that there is someone in is sweet delicious. This is a greatness lesson we should learn. So yeah, if we cannot help ourselves, none of them helps us. None of them helps us. None else can help you, friend. Get hold of yourself, then stand up. Don't be afraid. In the midst of all miseries and all weakness, let the self come out. Faint and imperceptibly thought it be at first. So this is a lesson what we have to learn in our life also. Self reliance. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.